Today saw the Hrb Tmrn host the first Clinical Trials Methodology Symposium here at the Gibson Hotel in Dublin. Today and this event really represents a major milestone for the Hrb Trials Methodology Research Network, as it's celebrating its first year since it was funded by the Hrb, and also allows us to have a formal launch of the network. We see today as being a very significant event in that it allows people to network and to increase their knowledge and awareness around this very important topic.
I'm going to give you a couple of stories about trials and systematic reviews and the impact that they have had and hopefully that they will continue to have.
So there is overwhelming evidence now that there have been problems with outcomes in trials. And one possible solution to reduce these sorts of problems is known as a core outcome set.
So the talk, so translational statistics, this is a definition that we have defined out of the research group in Galway. Feel free to cite this as often as you can. Okay.
I'm going to give you an example really of a large national initiative that myself and Professor John Clarkson from Dundee have been leading for about the last decade, called Triads.
This talk is about methodology. It's about the methodology of transparency in clinical trials.
Randomised controlled trials, they're essential to evaluate the effects of the healthcare interventions we offer within healthcare. What we're trying to do is to look and see, can we introduce efficiencies into each stage of the trial process methodologically that allows increased efficiencies in how trials are done.
Actually, quite a lot of the good ideas about how to test treatments and compare different treatments reliably have been around for a couple of hundred years. And so what we're faced with now is taking these ideas which have been around for a long time, refining them and doing better research for better healthcare.
As you see, I'm going to be talking about the James Lind Library and some illustrations from it showing the evolution of fair tests of treatments. Listen to what Caroline Hurley, Aislinn Conway, Jessica O'Dowd, Lydia Emerson have got to say in the presentations which follow mine. They will be worth listening to.
I think the thing we love about the TMRN is it's part of the jigsaw clinical research infrastructure in Ireland. We've been building this for 10 years. The key pieces are coming together now. Methodological rigour is going to be really important as we push this stuff into translation. So we're really happy with this development.
So on that note, I want to congratulate you on the launch. I think it's fantastic to see this community here today, much larger, quite frankly, and more intense in a really good way than I really thought. And it's a really good start.